What's up, y'all? I don't know if you can see behind me, but it is snowing again. So I figure if the snow doesn't screw up the camera, we'll get a nice little cold start in a Project Overkill. That's a very snowy cold start. And I have not started this car in over a week. At least a week or two. So, let's go out here. Yeah. Yeah, it's getting a little cold out. I actually need to move this car because it's actually sinking into the ground with all the rain we've had. Yeah, see how far it's sunk into the ruts? See, I remember which way the damn key goes. Put the key in the ignition. Pop that on. Alright. Pop the hood. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Pretty. And yes, it's cold. It's so cold my cables aren't even flexible right now. Alright. Holy shit, that snow in the ear. Snow in the ear. Oh, fuck me. Alright. Alright. Pop this thing neutral, clutch. Go and prime the fuel. Since it has been sitting a while, get fuel pressure up. And as you can tell, I don't have much gas. There we go. Fired right up. Ooh. It is cold natured. Make sure it's in neutral. Don't mind the gauges, they still are not hooked up yet. I have no windshield wipers. Why? Because race car. There you have it. She's running. Got about 40 pounds of pressure in the fuel. Oh yeah, she's a beast. Come around here, no smoky smoke. You can sort of hear that cam. So this thing's idled up right now. I need the idle changes on this thing. I have to constantly change it and move it around, whatnot. See if we can get this sumbitch to move. Yeah, we're trying to move. Whoa, we're gonna slide into the Mustang. Slide into the Mustang. Uh-oh. Yeah, I moved. God. God, this car's badass. Yeah. If that shows you how long this car's been sitting, with all the rain we've been getting, how bad this yard gets, yeah. It's sunk into the ground just from sitting. And look at the ruts just from pulling the car in when it was still rainy. I even tried to move the this piece of shit here the other day with the tractor, and I couldn't even budge it because it's sunk in the ground. I couldn't even get the tractor traction. I almost got the tractor hung up back here and it wasn't even hooked to anything. So yeah, this yard's a mess right now. It's a good time to get this damn car out. So they can move it back, move it over just a bit. Whew. Damn, it's cold. See if we can set the camera up over here. See if we can get that in the shot. Just for fun, let's get a little burnout action going. See if we can hit second gear. How about that? Does that meet your approval? Second gear burnout? Look at the smoke inside here. Can't really see it too well, but alright, car shut off. Lock the doors up. Watch snow fall off. The smoke's still rolling out. Yeah, look at that. Damn, we just dug a big old hole. Yeah. Get that limited slick action kicking in, the LSD training. Yeah, this car's bad. I'm going to unhook this because I never leave it hooked up. Because why? Because race car. Still got some more work to do. Still need to work on this tube just a little bit. I got to fix these little things because they just annoy the piss out of me. I still need to clean the distributor up, paint it, put my new cap and wires and all on. Yeah, she looks pretty good. She don't look too bad. My shocks are starting to get a little, they're cold. There we go. Yeah. Car's a fucking beast. Can't wait for it to hit the strip. Still smoking. Car is fast as hell. It's a beast for being all motor. Can't wait for summer to hit, warm up, so I can get back to work on it, get it painted. Because yes, I do plan on painting it this year finally, or at least, you know, getting it in primer, one color. So look at that. Think she runs real good. Melted the snow behind. Straight piped exhaust pretty much. Look at that. Still smoking. Alright. Hope you all enjoyed that. My ass. Going back inside because I'm cold. So, later.